We've got exclusive video for you tonight. Doorbell camera footage captures the moment a motorcyclist collides with a car in Winooski. We did blur it, but I do want to warn you, some might find it disturbing. It happened on Mallett's Bay Avenue. In the video, you can see a car beginning to turn left after a stop sign when a motorcycle enters the intersection and crashes into it. Police say the motorcycle rider was conscious when they took him to the hospital, but we haven't gotten any word yet on his current condition.